Welcome to Tech Xlovers. Inventive solutions to everyday problems. Ample is a company that is developing a modular battery swapping system for electric vehicles. The system would allow electric vehicle owners to swap their depleted batteries for fully charged ones in a matter of minutes, rather than having to wait hours for the vehicles to recharge. Ample's technology is still in the development stage, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way electric vehicles are powered. The company has raised over $1 billion in funding and is working to deploy its technology in cities around the world. Ample's modular battery swapping system would be a more efficient way to power electric vehicles than traditional charging methods. Charging stations can be expensive to install and maintain and they can take hours to charge a vehicle. Ample's system would be much more sustainable and efficient, and it would allow electric vehicles to be recharged quickly and easily. Ample's technology could also help to reduce range anxiety, which is a major barrier to the adoption of electric vehicles. Range anxiety is a fear of running out of power before reaching your destination. With Ample's system, drivers wouldn't have to worry about range anxiety, as they could simply swap their depleted batteries for fully charged ones at any time. Ample's modular battery swapping system is a promising new technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way electric vehicles are powered. The company is working to deploy its technology in cities around the world, and it could help to make electric vehicles more accessible and affordable for everyone. Cryptide Sneaker. The Cryptide Sneaker is a 3D printed shoe created by designer Stefan Henrich. It's inspired by the mythical creatures known as cryptids, such as Bigfoot or Loch Ness Monster. The Cryptide Sneaker has a unique open-toe design that is meant to resemble the footprints of cryptids. The upper part of the shoe is made of a flexible material that is supposed to be comfortable to wear. The Cryptide Sneaker is still in the development stage, but it has the potential to be a popular fashion item. It is unique and stylish, and it is sure to turn heads. JR West Human Machine. The JR West Human Machine platform HMP is a large humanoid robot developed by the West Japan Railway Company, JR West, in a collaboration with the Human Machinery Company and Nippon Signal Company. It is designed to be used for a variety of tasks such as inspecting railway tracks and equipment and performing maintenance work. The HMP is 2.5 meters tall and weighs 150 kilograms. JIZAI Arms. The JIZAI Arms is a variable robotic limb system consisting of a variable base unit with 6 terminals and detachable robo arms. It was developed by a team of researchers at the University of Tokyo, led by Professor Masahiko Inami. The system is designed to allow users to attach, detach, replace, or edit the arms. This allows for a wide range of possibilities in terms of how the arms can be used. For example, the arms could be used to perform tasks that are difficult or dangerous for humans, such as search and rescue or construction. They could also be used for artistic expression such as dance or music. JIZAI Arms is still in the development stage, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way humans interact with technology. The system could allow humans to extend their capabilities and become more efficient and productive. JIZAI Arms is a promising new technology that has the potential to change the way we interact with the world around us. The system could allow us to extend our capabilities and become more efficient and productive. Four Active Systems is an Austrian company that develops and produces crash test dummies. They are known for their innovative and advanced designs, which have helped to improve for safety of vehicles. 4 Active Systems was founded in 1997 by Dr. Wolfgang Wenzel, who is a leading expert in the field of crash testing. The company is headquartered in Trabzon, Austria, and has offices in Germany, the United States, and China. HaptX System produces a wide range of crash test dummies, including full-size adult dummies, child dummies, and animal dummies. The dummies are used by automotive manufacturers, safety equipment manufacturers, and research institutes to test the safety of vehicles. HaptX Systems dummies are known for their high level of realism and accuracy. The dummies are equipped with sensors that measure the forces and accelerations experienced during the crash. This data is used to help engineers design safer vehicles. HaptX Systems is a leading supplier of crash test dummies to the automotive industry. The company's products are used by some of the world's leading car manufacturers, including BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen. HaptX Gloves G1. HaptX Gloves G1 are pair of haptic gloves that provide users with a sense of touch in virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. They're designed to make VR and AR experiences more realistic and immersive. The HaptX Gloves G1 is a combination of pneumatic actuators and sensors to create a sense of touch. The actuators are located on the fingertips of the gloves and can be used to create a variety of sensations such as pressure, vibration, and temperature. The sensors are located on the palm of the glove and are used to track the user's hand movements. The HaptX Gloves G1 are still in development, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with AR and VR. They could be used for a variety of applications such as training, education, and entertainment. DCL Big Drone. The DCL Big Drone is an experimental manned drone developed by the Drone Champions League, DCL. It is the first manned drone designed for racing, and it is still in development. The DCL Big Drone is powered by 12 electric motors and has a top speed of 140 kilometers. It is equipped with a variety of sensors including cameras, radar, and LiDAR, which allow it to navigate its environment and avoid obstacles. Please like, share, and subscribe.